So guys, we got a lower arm replacement today, which is this one here. That's the lower arm. So it's connected by 3 bolts. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's another 1, 3. So the sequence is, what you do is you remove this one first, then followed by these 2 bolts, okay? So now guys, we're gonna remove this bolt. It's a 17mm bolt. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the breaker bar. I could not film it close, but I'll try the best I can, okay? So what you do guys, you just use a breaker bar, try to remove that bolt. So when that bolt come off, the whole lower arm will come off, okay? Pretty tight. I did manage to break it with half-inch breaker bar, but to loosen one by one, I could not get a ratchet in. So this is the best I can. It was a 3/8 ratchet, small little small unit, but yeah, we're able to actually turn it to actually unloose it. So just do this would be the best way, okay? Okay, bolt is off, bolt is off, bolt is off. So all you do is you need to get this one off. We look at this lower arm bush, it's really hardened off. There's crack right here, and there's also crack right there. That one doesn't look really healthy too. So we got a new unit. I'll show it to you. It's a lot healthier. Okay, that rubber bush, this one looks pretty much a lot better than the old one.